Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Google Forms in laptop or PC. So to do that, let's head over to the Chrome browser. In here, head over to the Google Apps and go to Docs. And in Google Docs, here go to the three lines icon on the top left. Now go to the Forms section. Here, go to, you can use any template from the template gallery. So let's say a job application. So here, a template is already created, like the title you can add any first and last name, and people can use or enter email, phone number. You can also style your text, and you can select the position you are interested into and submit your cover letter or resume in here. So yeah, this is how easily you can create Google Forms, and once you're done with it, you can share it via this option. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.